Welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of Omar Sy and Netflix's hit series Lupin, then you are in for some great news. Season 4 is on the way, and today we are breaking down everything you need to know. Release date, cast, plot, and what next for Assane. So let's start with a big question. When is Lupin Season 4 coming out? Filming kicked off in Paris around May 2025 and wrapped up by late summer. While Netflix has not given an official date yet, multiple reports suggest that Season 4 is expected to drop early in 2026. Some even point to January 1st of 2026 as the possible release date, though it has not been confirmed by Netflix yet. Still, all signs point to a New Year's treat for some fans. Season 4 will follow the same format we know and love, episodes each around 45 minutes long, packed with action, drama, and of course Assane's masterful tricks. Now, who's coming back? Omar Sy's return as a gentleman thief Assane Diop alongside Ludivine Sagnier, Antoine Gouy, Sofiane Guereb, and Shireen Botella. And here's something new. Netflix has confirmed fresh faces in Season 4, including Theo Christine and Leica Blanc-Francard joining the cast. Plot and story expectations. If you remember, Season 3 ended with a massive cliffhanger involving Assane's nemesis, Hubert Pellegrini. Well, Season 4 is expected to pick up right there, with Pellegrini pulling strings once again. There are also whispers about a potential Sherlock Holmes crossover inspired by the original Assane and Lupin novels, which would be huge for fans of classic detective stories. Well, that is it for today. Thank you for watching the video till end. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more.